Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your Rashida from my channel Hashavin. Friends, today also in this video I again came with a product review. The product is from Bennett Red. So here is the box. So it is of 1.8 liter kettle. So this is basically a glass kettle. So this product has 2 years of warranty. So this product is available on Takealot and even it is available on Macro and other stores also. Moving forward, at the end of my video I gonna give them also, so keep on watching. So package is well packed. Basically I got this product for 399 rands and I got this on Macro. And here is the base. And here is the kettle. And there is an instruction manual how you can use this. So guys, coming to the main point, that is what are the key feature of this product. Let me tell you, it has a large 1.8 liter capacity and yeah, it's perfect for a family tea or coffee time, right? So it has a powerful 2200 watt heating element, and yeah, as per my usage I can see it is of fast boiling. And yes, it has a beautiful blue LED light, glows while boiling. And it has a 360-degree cordless swale base, makes it easy to lift and place from any angle. You can tilt it anywhere like off 360 degree. Look wise, it is super aesthetic. Comes with a one-touch auto LED opening for easy filling and cleaning also. Has a boil dried protection and auto shut off for safety. Also, it includes a removable scale filter for cleaner water. Since it has a transparent glass, it helps us to see a water boiling. So according to my experience, it is very elegant and lightweight design, good for daily use. It's look premium because it has a glowing blue light, as you can see in the video. I really love the transparent glass design. It makes the boiling look so aesthetic. So here is the demo video. I kept water for the boiling and I filled up to maximum level. So now it started boiling and you can see it will get auto shut off. And yeah guys, if you're interested in purchasing of this product, the product link will be on my description. For more videos, to subscribe. Thank you.